Switching gears now to weather, we have KDKA First Alert meteorologist Falicia Woody standing by. Felicia, I feel so bad for the runners out there. Right now the weather's okay, but I'm hoping it stays that way until they're at least done running.
And the thing is, I really wish that this was just rain, because we can deal with just rain and you can run in just rain. But the thing is, these are also storms that we're talking about, and it also could be gusty with some periods of lightning. So look off to the west. There's this huge batch of showers and storms that's continuing to make its way off towards the east. So you may be noticing a couple of light sprinkles across our region, but we're going to see this heavier rain in just a short while. Give it about a few hours. So towards the end of a lot of the runners' race times is when we're going to start seeing the rain onset into Pittsburgh. So if you are planning on spectating the race, bring the ponchos. We're looking at 57 degrees. It is mild out there, even a couple places checking into the 60s, but highs will be topping off into the low 70s with those scattered showers and even some thunderstorms. The thunderstorms will start to take up most of the afternoon, and we should quiet down a little bit more heading into the evening. Wind gusts, when it's not storming, will be at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, but while those showers and storms are here, we're looking at possibly up to 30-40 miles per hour with those wind gusts, which definitely can cause an issue with some of the runners or any loose outdoor objects. Now, most models do have the storms weakening as it moves into western Pennsylvania, so that is good. The thing is, we can still have some lightning and those wind gusts, which is not good for the marathon. We're moving into the evening. Notice we still have a few light leftover showers around dinner time, and then we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies overnight. Tomorrow will be cloudy for most of the day with a few peaks of sunshine and a few showers, and even some thunderstorms will try to roll in through our southern counties. But by Tuesday, a few more showers will greet us in the morning, and then we're done with the rain leading into the middle of the week. That's when sunshine comes back, and it's going to be nice and sunny and also very warm. Highs at least stay in the 70s, which is average for this time of year to be in the low 70s. Through Wednesday, then we're going above average into the upper 70s and lower 80s by the end of the week. So today, watch out for those showers and thunderstorms. If you need the yard work done today, do it right now in the morning before the rain gets here. Tonight, 58 degrees, and then tomorrow, another day we're in the 70s, watching out for the chance for some isolated showers and storms. By Tuesday, a few more showers will enter the picture, and then we say hello to sunshine, but only for a couple of days. Wednesday and Thursday are the two picks of the week on our 7-day forecast. By Friday and Saturday, a few more showers come back into the picture. Highs will be in the upper 70s to the lower 80s.
Thanks, Felicia.